welcome back to Homestead. It's warm outside today, but the winter weather is coming. Tonight, we are expecting to get freezing rain and snow here in Alabama, so we're buckled up for that. Guys, I've been on the whole prepping deal lately. I've shown you multiple videos with that. I've had a need to do another first aid kit, so I said I might as well video this for you guys. Every single bit of this come from Dollar Tree except two things, and I'll show you those. So to do a first aid kit, you could customize it any way you want to. Everybody needs to have a first aid kit. You need to have one in your house. You need to have one in your car. Any place that you go, it's great to have one, and customize it to how you see fit and where it is, okay? So if I'm going to do a first aid kit at home, I may not put flashlights in it. If I'm doing a first aid kit for my car, I might have flashlights in it. So customize it how you see. I'm going to post some links in the description of the video from Mayo Clinic, CDC, and American Red Cross. I've taken ideas from them and what they say to put in these kits, okay? So I think this is pretty comprehensive. The total price for this kit at Dollar Tree was $29. You can't beat it, and this is an outrageous kit. I can add more things to it. I can take things away. Show you what we got. So I got these little bins that have the lids here. I had to get two. That was the biggest closed lid bin I could find at Dollar Tree. Now they've got bigger buckets. You could wrap the top. I just thought this was good and portable, but I ended up getting so much stuff I had to get two. So two of those, that was $2.50 because everything's $1.25 now. Now, the first thing you need in your kit that I would do, I would put it on the inside, tape it here. It's a sheet of paper, and on this sheet of paper, I'm going to show it to you. I've got name, date of birth, and phone number. That's yours, okay, and your address. I would put my allergies to any medicines or foods. PCP, your primary care provider, whoever you see, their name, address, and phone number, okay? Any kind of medical history you have, and then your daily medicines. I would keep that in a first aid kit. That's just me. Emergency contacts, name, address, phone number. I don't know how many people can actually tell you their next of kin's phone number because everybody uses a cell phone. We just punch a name. You need to write down these people's phone numbers regardless, okay? Whether it's a first aid kit in your wallet, whatever, write down manual phone numbers because you're not going to remember. A lot of people don't. I don't. So I have them wrote down. Now, what I would do, I'm just showing you this one sheet of paper. I would put down my family's history, allergies, doctor, things like that, daily medicines, and keep it all together. Every family member that you have that you're taking care of, children, parents, grandparents, I would put it together right here. That way you would have it all together because you panic, something happens. What this kit is intended to be is a grab and go. So if something happens, grab the kit or have it in a bag and go see that person if you're needed or they call for help, and you've got it all right there. You're not having to try to scramble to see what Meemaw's allergic to at 1 a.m. in the morning when she's fell, okay? That's what you need to have on hand. And at the bottom, important numbers, poison control, 1-800-222-1222. That's very important. And also, especially for a car one, record service number. I think that would be something you need to have, okay? Right there, just stick it in the box. You've got everything in that one box, grab and go. If you have to bug out, grab and go. You've got, you see what I'm saying? You're not going to need this bugging out record service numbers, but it's great to have something portable, not in a medicine cabinet at home and you're trying to pilfer through stuff and get it really quick. This is what you need. So that's what I would put on the inside of the box up here. I would have it right there, customized to how you see fit. Now, let me show you what all we have here. So I got stuff that's just generic, what the list recommended and what we use here at our house for our own first aid kit. And we've got several. You can never have enough of these supplies, ever. Okay, starting out, aspirin, 81 milligram aspirin. That's great to have in a first aid kit. It's great. So got that, 40 capsules, and they're coated for $1.25. That's a great deal. A very great deal. A lot of y'all, if you're on a plan like Medicare, you might get a card each month that allows you to buy so much of this stuff or get so much of this stuff for free. They give you this money. Well, it's not free, but they give you enough to have an allowance that you could get this stuff. So you might could order some of this stuff and it save you some money at the grocery store buying it. Rubbing alcohol, okay? Got that. Gauze to wrap around a wound. Very, very good to have. Rolled gauze. An ice pack, hot pack. This is all from the Dollar Tree, okay? All from the Dollar Tree. That is great. It's reusable and it's a gel pack. Advil, now this was not that great of a buy. It was 6 tablets for $1.25. You might could get that a lot cheaper at Walmart. You probably could for the amount. I just grabbed it while I was in there, okay? Just to have in this little kit. So ibuprofen there. Band-Aids, small Band-Aids, smaller, okay? Just regular Band-Aids. That's a pack of 25. Larger Band-Aids, that's a pack of 10. Some of this you could get cheaper at Walmart, okay? Just showing you what I've got here at Dollar Tree. Hand sanitizer, that you definitely want in a first aid kit. If you're having to use this for somebody else, you're gonna want that afterwards, okay? So that's a good thing to have. And that's a pretty big bottle. Hydrogen peroxide, 3%. That's great. And that's a spray too, that's even better, okay? Acetaminophen, 500 milligram capsules, 40. Good to have. Tylenol. For an allergic reaction, you need to have Benadryl in here. I just got this because they didn't have it at Dollar Tree. For any kind of allergic reaction, you need something in your kit. Tweezers for a splinter. Need that. That was like in the women's beauty section, okay? That would be good to have. Scissors. I had these at home, so I'm going to put them in the box. I don't foresee needing to use that. The gauze is so small. I don't think I would need to cut it, but they're there if I need it. Coban. This is a wrap to apply pressure, okay? That's very good. Keep somebody from bleeding. You don't really need tape with this. It stays to itself, okay? That's great to have. Triple antibiotic ointment, Neosporin. Paper tape. If someone is elderly and frail or allergic to latex, paper tape is what you need, okay, for a dressing. And it's great because it won't pull skin off like regular tape. It's very, very good. So I thought that was extra great, especially if you're planning a kit for elderly people in your family, wherever. That's what you need. Gloves. These are 5 for $1.25. 5 pairs, 10 actual gloves. A thermometer. Need a thermometer, always. Hydrocortisone cream. Cotton balls. And then last but not least, have something sugary for diabetics. This was a 4-pack of Juicy Juice. The expiration is August the 24th. August the 12th of 24. So this year in August. And we'll rotate those out. But to have it in there, and the sugar content is 14 grams of sugar, so something pretty quick. I tried to look at just something small and compact I could put in this box. You might want to do candy, you might want to do different things. I just wanted the juice. It's just a personal preference. So all of that and here for $29. You can't beat that, guys. You cannot beat that. So Dollar Tree haul for a first aid kit. Now you could get antidiarrheals, you could get antacids, you could get sunburn cream. We have all of that here, but in a portable first aid kit, I just got this yesterday. I didn't see really a need to get that, but we've got that here. So again, you can customize this. You could get calamine lotion if you break out. I remember having that put on me when I had chicken pox as a little girl. So, you can customize this any way you see fit. I did not see calamine. They did have antidiarrheals. They had antacids. They had anti-gas. They had, that's pretty much it for the heavy hitters. They had a lot of sinus and allergy medicine. Again, that's more of a medicine cabinet instead of a first aid kit. They had nasal spray, eye drops, things like that, all at Dollar Tree. So that's our Dollar Tree haul for a first aid kit. We're going to put the lids on these, write down all of your information, keep those numbers handy. Okay, guys, and keep this somewhere where you can grab it and go. That's the whole point. All right, guys, we'll see you next time on Harmon Homestead.